Hello friends, we are from Delta 4 Space Control. Now today's site is the industrial site. Here we are doing the industrial pest control. You may see my colleague is over here. My employee is over here. He is doing the spray treatment. Okay, panel जाते सावकाश घ्या तिथं. Industrial pest control is very much essential for any kind of industry because a very small and minute pest also causes a huge problem. Many of the time we have to stop our work because of the pest. Like rodent and lizards, these are the most common pests which are found in the industries as well as in the factories. So we Delta 4 Space Control always in your service. Contact number is 9834260199. Feel free to call us for the pest control treatment for your industry. Thank you from Delta 4 Space Control.